We're a digital marketing agency and we're getting rid of intercom. Here's what we learned in the last 12 months. Since we work online, we are always looking for a unified experience to talk to our clients with all of our team members. Intercom did the job? We had a lot of suspicions and issues with email servers. Some of our enterprise clients could never get our emails, and we were always left with doubt. Are our emails going to spam? That's not good for a tool that is supposed to offer something that's so seamless. Yeah, it works great if you're a SaaS that's selling compression socks to nurses, but it doesn't work for a digital marketing agency. What we found out is that little chat icon that pops up was clever. It was cute, and it always gave us lots of junk traffic. We get thousands and thousands and thousands of hits to our site, and it only produced some junk results and a couple of customers that were confused about their back end, and it really didn't make that connection that we were looking to achieve. Now our intercom is about to upgrade, which is going to be more than $500 a month, and we can't handle that. For something that doesn't really work and collects a lot of data on people visiting your websites, we don't even use that data. Only creepy marketers are going to take that data and use it against you, and we felt that that's even unnecessary to the point. The biggest caveat with intercom is when you put a script on your website, it slows down the loading page experience, it brings down your quality score for your ads, which means your ads are going to cost more money. We couldn't have that either. We're running ads. We have to keep our ad costs efficient, and adding extra scripts that are going to slow it down just don't work for the business model. And the biggest issue that we had with intercom is the Facebook audiences are very limited and we don't have full control over the audiences. The LinkedIn audiences are non-existent, and the Google ones, they work all right. But since you're working with a third-party script, there's a lot of magic that you really have to depend on. And if you're going to put your business tracking in the hands of a third party, so be it. I hope you enjoy the $500 a month sticker because we're going to cut it. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.